This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marianne Stewart. Size is 12 by 10 by 40. Not on the top level. Call ahead for launchings. The staff will supply whatever you need for your voyage. Flushing of the engines, cleaning of boats, sandwiches from the deli, etc. Set up your private parties on the 4th level of the clubhouse. The restaurant and lounge are open for business. Great new menu. For more information, review the details below or contact Marianne Stewart at 239-560-6420.